guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, BrittanyBearMakeup here. If you guys are new, then today's video is going to be a review on the new Morphe x Jeffree Star Artistry palette. You guys, I got this in the mail literally today. I'm here filming it. I believe it launches tomorrow. And by the time you guys are watching this, it is launched. So I cannot wait to show you guys if this palette is going to be verified and worth your money. So let's go ahead and dive into today's makeup review.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright, Bear fam, so you guys are probably already really familiar with how I do my reviews. There are a total of 4 categories, from the packaging to the range to the application, and last but not least, the price. Everything is going to be rated a total of 5 stars if I think it is amazing and you need this product. If so, at the end, we're going to tally all of the categories and we're going to find out if this product is verified and 100% going to be worth your time, your money, and it's going to be pretty spectacular. So let's go ahead and start today's review. So taking a look at the packaging, guys, it is freaking gorgeous. It's like a Barbie's dream. It has the holographic Morphe x Jeffree Star. I mean, honestly, guys, he couldn't have done a better job creating a package that was true to him and his brand. On the back, it has a picture of him and a little note. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Here is the palette itself. It looks exactly like the hard shell box that it comes in. And right here, you can see once again the holographic print. On the back, this is solid, super bright, hot pink. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. It is a girl's dream. Okay, so opening it up, holy crap, I'm blown away right now. It has a mirror, so thank God for that. Morphe got it right with the mirror. Jeffree, you got it right with the mirror. I have been dying to see more mirrors and Morphe palettes. Ever since they gave us one palette with the mirror, we need a mirror, okay? It really does make a difference. At the top, it says Morphe x Jeffree Star. This is literally gorgeous. And I have to say, like, I'm just blown away right now. I've never been so excited to review a product just from the packaging itself. I think they did an incredible job. Another thing I do want to share with you guys is that they did print the names of each eyeshadow. So that is something that I have been wanting for so long as well. I know they kind of went back and forth with one palette with the print names, the other palettes don't have them. So I love the fact that Morphe went back to having the names printed because I think it really does help an artist when they're trying to display what products they're using. So you guys, let's go ahead and rate this. I think for once, I'm gonna give it 5 stars because I have no complaints. I think Morphe nailed it. They created a beautiful package that demonstrated who Jeffree was, who Morphe was. Blown away, 5 stars for the packaging. The range is definitely very out there. There's so much going on. I want to say that you have some really beautiful colors. Like, I have to admit, this is a palette that doesn't categorize in just one specific color, whether it's neutrals, whether it's dark shades. It's kind of all over the spectrum, which is why I'm so impressed. So you have a total of 30 eyeshadows altogether, which is incredible because you have pink eyeshadows, greens, you have beautiful iridescent sparkly shades, you have a very dark black, which is very rare to come in a palette. And then you have all kinds of things going on. You have silvers, you have whites, you have neutrals. Jeffree is just one of those people that I feel like I think of bright colors, and he definitely gave us a palette with bright colors, but he also gave us a palette that would work for anyone out there. There are some really beautiful neutrals in this palette as well that I feel like whether or not you wear bright colors on the daily, this is something you can find yourself gravitating towards. So with that being said, guys, I do want to rate the range of this palette. I think I'm gonna have to give it 5 stars. I feel like this is just so gorgeous and I just can't wait to try the pigmentation. So this better be a freaking amazing formula because right now I am giving it another 5 stars on the range. I have been waiting all day, like literally I've been eyeing this palette in my PR package and I'm waiting to film this because I wanted to see the pigmentation of this palette. Really quickly, guys, because I know I'm giving it really amazing reviews so far, this is not a sponsored post whatsoever. I was not compensated a penny to make this video. This is 100% my thoughts, my genuine opinion. So I just wanted to say that so that you guys don't feel like this is a biased review. I get nothing out of this, honestly, at all. So before we get into the application, guys, I do want to mention mention that Jeffree Star is also launching this awesome little set of brand new brushes. So I'm not going to be reviewing these brushes, but I will be talking a little bit about them as I use them to apply the eyeshadows. But I quickly wanted to show you guys, this is the pouch it comes in, and it comes with a total of 10 brushes. So here you have them. They're so pretty. They're like a Barbie fantasy. And you guys have some blending brushes. Pretty much has everything you need to create a beautiful look. So I will be using these bad boys today to create this look. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. Looking at this palette, I can go so many different ways. There's so many colors. I'm overwhelmed. I don't even know what I want to create, but I feel like because pink is such a dominant color in this palette and in this collaboration, I'm gonna gravitate to some sort of pink eyeshadows today. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first color that I'm going to go into is going to be Self-Made, and for that I'm going to be picking up one of his brushes. This is a Morphe JS9 brush. So taking this product, I'm going to dust away any excess fallout, and I'm going to go into the crease and just begin buffing this in. Hello pigment. Okay, so far super impressed. So when I'm dipping my brush into this eyeshadow, I'm noticing that it feels very creamy and I'm not getting a lot of fallout, which I typically would complain about in previous Morphe palettes. This one definitely seems like it has a more creamy texture to it, and it's extremely pigmented, guys. Like, it is blending out so nicely, and this brush is so perfect to just apply the right amount of product just into the crease. So I'm gonna take a couple seconds to just kind of blend this out and see what I think. You guys, by the way, can we just see absolutely no fallout? This is insane to me. Like, already so impressed with the formula. So freaking pretty. I'm gonna be taking another brush. This is a JS8 brush, and it's just a clean one, and I'm just gonna be buffing the product in just to kind of blend everything out. Wow, this blends out so nicely, and it just really looks so pigmented. I'm freaking blown away right now, guys. Okay, so after I spent a couple minutes just kind of buffing that out, here's what it looks like. Extremely satisfied with the pigmentation and color payoff. So let's go ahead and dive into some other colors, because obviously we can't just try one and call it a day. I think I'm gonna go into this chocolatey brown shade right here. So I'm gonna be taking this small brush right here. It is a JS12 brush. And let's go ahead and let's apply this into the crease of the eye. So I'm actually gonna be tapping this onto the lid as well. I'm making up this look as I go, so I don't really know where this is headed, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? We're testing out the colors, and if it turns out ugly, it's okay. So as you guys could see, I'm packing this color on, and very, very minimal fallout. Very impressed with this pigmentation. It is so creamy. Like, I honestly have to stress something to you guys. This formula is not like your typical Morphe formula. Like, 100% they changed something, because this is so freaking creamy. So I'm just gonna slightly bring this onto the lid with this brush, and these brushes are working so good as well. I'm just so impressed right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly go back into that same brush I started with and just blend that out, just to make sure everything has like a nice cohesiveness to it. I'm actually gonna be taking the setting spray from his collaboration. I one of these flat brushes. It is a Jeffree Star JS6 brush, and I'm gonna go into this color right here. It's like this beautiful pink shade, and it's called T-O, and I'm gonna apply this onto my lid. So I'm just slightly tapping it on. So freaking pretty though. You guys, this pigment is so gorgeous. I don't even have words to express how I feel right now, because I have not used an eyeshadow palette in this long where the fallout is so minimal, one. The formula is so creamy, and the blendability is just there and beautiful. So overall, the application, I have to say, guys, I'm blown away, so impressed. I definitely think that I'm gonna give it a total of 5 stars. Like, I have no complaints at all. I feel like they nailed it on the head with the application. Freaking beautiful. 5 stars. Otra vez. Alright, Bear Fam, so I went ahead and went off camera to finish off my eyeshadow, and I just have to say, guys, I'm so obsessed. So the last thing that we have to talk about today is going to be the pricing of this palette. Now, as you guys can see, this palette had a total of 30 eyeshadows, and they range from very beautiful opally iridescent shades to matte finish shades, and they were very bright. There was neutrals. They had a lot going on. So the price of this palette is going to retail you $35. I, without a doubt, have to say, Bear Family, this palette is worth $35 and more. This formula, this palette, these colors, this pigmentation, out of this world, 100% giving the price point 5 freaking stars because I am blown away and so impressed with this collaboration. So with that being said, Bear Fam, I have to conclude today's review by saying that this is the first time ever on my channel that a product has gotten a total of 20 stars, which absolutely means 100% this product is verified. I am so impressed, so excited for you guys to go out and purchase this product because I think you guys are going to love it, and I honestly think this is going to be my new go-to palette. So definitely expect to see this palette multiple times on my channel, Bear Fam. Now, fairly quickly, Bear Family, I did want to mention just the other couple things that they were launching because I didn't go too much in detail. This is the setting spray that JEFFREE is launching, the strawberry setting spray. This is going to retail you for $18, which I still think is an extremely incredible price for the way the setting spray makes my face look, and it smells like heaven. However, if you are sensitive to scents, that is something to take to note. Now, the 10-piece brush set is going to retail you a total of $42. It comes with the bag and it comes with 10 brushes. In my opinion, once you go ahead and break down all the brushes that are inside, it is going to be worth your money because these brushes performed incredibly, and I feel like I definitely could see myself gravitating towards them multiple times. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I want to give my huge post notification shout out to my girl Blue Eyes NZ. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. If you guys want a post notification shout out, all you guys have to do is turn on your post notifications and comment when done. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you guys could be subscribed to the channel, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye guys.